for this film to be recorded, and the others in it have given their permission as well. Vulcanizing is an important service because it helps extend the life of tires, reduce waste by reusing existing materials, and offers a more affordable solution for maintaining vehicles. Areas with high vehicle traffic, vulcanized shops play a critical role in keeping transportation systems running efficiently and safely. Good vulcanizing shop boosts customer satisfaction by offering quick and affordable tire repair, providing quality work that builds trust, giving helpful advice on tire care, and being conveniently accessible, making customers feel valued and confident in the service. Shops typically serve a wide range of customers, including individual vehicle owners, commercial fleets, and transport companies. Vulcanizing shops can repair tires for cars, trucks, buses, and other vehicles, offering a cost-effective alternative to purchasing new tires. In addition to tire repairs, they may also provide services such as tire retrieving, balancing, and alignment to improve vehicle performance and safety. In a vulcanizing shop, customer satisfaction can be achieved by offering quick, dependable, and affordable services. Tire repairs that are done right the first time show customers that the shop cares about quality and safety. By focusing on customer satisfaction, a vulcanizing shop can build a loyal customer base, establish a strong reputation in the community, and set the foundation for long-term growth and success.